All right, welcome back, everybody. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready. Let's do it.
Awesome. So today we're taking a look at the Tecno Pova 6 Pro.
Oh, yeah, I saw this one come out.
It just came out, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there's a ton of hype about this phone. So,
Automuz.
yeah, so we're going to be diving deep into one specific review that we found.
Okay.
And we're going to really break down everything that makes this phone special or not so special,
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see, exactly. So for anyone listening who's thinking about upgrading their phone or just, loves keeping up with the latest tech.
Or loves arguing with people on the internet about which phone is better.
Exactly. This one's for you. So the review kind of does the typical thing, it lays out all the specs.
Yeah.
Like the processor speed and all
That
that.
RAM, the storage.
Yeah, but we're going to go beyond that today.
Right, absolutely. Got to look at the bigger picture.
Exactly. We want to see how these specs translate into like real world use. Yeah.
Right, because on paper, everything can look amazing.
Yeah.
But then you get it in your hand and it's like, wait a minute.
Totally. Okay, so one of the first things that jumped out at me was this display.
Yeah, it's pretty impressive. 6.78 inches.
Whoa, okay, that's huge.
It is a big boy.
But AMOLED, what is that?
AMOLED screens are known for their incredible color accuracy.
Okay.
Like if you watch those nature documentaries.
Oh, yeah.
Where the colors just pop. That's AMOLED.
Okay.
And it's not just the vibrancy, you get these really deep blacks, too, because each pixel emits its own light.
Oh, I see.
Instead of using a backlight like a traditional LCD.
That's really cool. So would you say AMOLED is better than LCD then?
It depends on what you're looking for. AMOLED usually means better picture quality and they're more energy efficient, which is great for battery life.
Oh, okay. So it's not just about looks.
No, it's got practical benefits, too.
Nice. I like that. And speaking of battery life, this phone's got a massive 6,000 milliamp hour battery.
Yeah, that's a beast.
That's like 2 days of use, right?
Easily, depending on how much you're using it, of course.
Right, of course. But usually a big battery means a heavy phone.
True, but this one surprised me. It's only 195 grams.
Wait, really? For 6,000 millibars?
Yep, it has managed to keep it pretty lightweight.
That's awesome. Okay, I got to ask about this fast charging, though. 70 watts.
That's fast, really fast.
Yeah, like how fast are we talking here?
Well, imagine your battery's at like 1% and you've got 15 minutes before you have to leave the house.
Oh, I've been there.
We've all been there. With this phone, a quick 15-minute charge could get you through most of your day.
No way.
Yeah, no more freaking out about finding an outlet.
That is life-changing. Okay, now on to the cameras.
Oh yeah, that's another big selling point for this phone.
108 megapixels on the main camera, 32 on the front.
Those are some big numbers.
So, like, professional-grade photography on a phone now.
Not necessarily professional grade, but it does open up a lot of possibilities for everyday photography.
Like what?
Well, with that many megapixels, you can capture incredible detail.
Okay.
Which means sharper images, even in low light conditions, and you have more flexibility to crop and zoom without losing quality.
Oh, wow, that's really cool.
And for selfies, that 32-megapixel front camera?
No more blurry selfies.
Exactly. Crystal clear.
I like the sound of that. So all this amazing tech, what about the design? What does it look like?
They've gone for a sleek design, glass front, plastic back.
Okay.
And you have a choice between two colors, comet green or meteorite gray.
Ooh, tough choice.
Right. And it's also got an IP53 rating, so it's a bit more durable than some other phones.
IP53, what's that?
It means it can handle a little bit of water and dust.
Like if I spill my coffee on it.
Hopefully not a whole cup, but a splash here and there shouldn't be a problem.
Nice. Good to know. Okay, so we've got this powerful processor, beautiful AMOLED display, insanely fast charging, high-resolution cameras, all in a sleek package.
And it's surprisingly lightweight, too, for all that it's packing.
Right. It really sounds like they've thought of everything.
And the price is pretty competitive, too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, considering all the features you're getting.
That's awesome. So, thinking about all this, I'm curious, what are the things that really matter to you when you're looking for a new phone?
That's a good question.
Is it the camera, battery life?
I think for me, it's got to be a combination of things.
Yeah.
Camera's super important, but I also need a phone that can keep up with me.
Right.
So good battery life and a fast processor are crucial.
Yeah, makes sense. It's amazing how much technology is crammed into these little devices, right?
It is, and it's constantly evolving.
Yeah. And there's so many options out there.
There really are.
So if you want to learn more about the Tecno Pova 6 Pro, maybe compare it to some other phones.
Yeah, do your research.
Definitely. Head over to RechargeMyTopup.com. They've got in-depth reviews of all the latest tech.
Great resource.
It really is. So go check that out. Until next time.
See ya!
Keep on exploring.